Welcome back to Rishi Quant Research. I'm Rishikesh. Today the market was extremely sideways, but on the bank in the bank Nifty, our key level was spot on, and in the Nifty also the key level took support just above the 23,220 and within 23 points of that key level. The low of the first candle was just 23 points above our key level. So let me take you to this. Yes. And right here you can see this is the Nifty 23,220 was our key level, and the low of first candle was 23,247.3 within 27, within 27 point took support, and the market in the later session was extremely sideways. Same goes for the bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, you can see the demand zone forming in a crystal clear manner near 53,900. In the bank Nifty, it was spot on. This is a demand zone. See, just not just at exactly 53,900. Market rallied for some time, and then this was a kind of resistance zone for the market. If you go to the higher time frame, you would know why this was resistance zone. We will not go there. And the next level was for market to reach next level, the momentum was too slow, or there as if there was no momentum throughout the day. That's why the price did not reach to 54,850 within today. So I'll delete this and we'll get the levels for tomorrow. Nothing to talk about much today. Market was extremely sideways, very disappointing day. Tomorrow is also Friday, I told you. And also, if you know, yesterday I told you Bollinger Bands were converging, and if the median flattens today, then the market will be sideways, and that's what exactly happened. So first we'll take for bank Nifty 54,250 right here. Bank Nifty 54,250. Sorry, this is Nifty 54,250, 54,250, and then we have higher levels 54,850. Then we have 55,050. And we'll take a couple of more for the higher side 55,100, 55,600. 55,600. Let's get the levels for downside 53,150, 52,150. 53,150, 52,150. So these levels same, correct? 53,150, 52,150, 52,150. 150. Yes. So these are enough for the upside for the bank nifty. Okay. See, on the 1 hour there is a consolidation. Yes, in bank nifty there is no consolidation. But yes, here you can see the Bollinger median of this has flattened in the nifty. Bank nifty there is no consolidation. Okay, I'm sorry. But that doesn't mean tomorrow there will not be a consolidation, because tomorrow is a weekend anyway. The volatility on the Fridays are extremely low. So this is for bank nifty. Let's get the levels for nifty. So 23,420. 23,420. We'll go to 5 minute. 23,420. Then upside we have 23,610, 23,900. And then 23,900. Downside we have 23,220 and 22,940. What's happening with this? 23,220, 22,940. Yes, so these are the levels for tomorrow for the Nifty. Let's take a quick look at consolidation on the 1 hour. Yes. So let's see what happens tomorrow. These were the levels. We need to be prepared with what if. If the market goes up, what are our targets? Market goes down, what are our targets? That's it for my side today. I'll see you tomorrow.